Welcome to the Scroll-Based USG Simulator, your interactive tool for mastering ultrasound anatomy. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Click on the link for either upper limb or lower limb scanning. Step 2. On your first visit, a login page will appear. Log in using your Gmail or any valid email ID. Step 3. Once you're logged in, click on the anatomical area you wish to scan. Explore, learn and master ultrasound with the Scroll-Based USG Simulator. If you face difficulty scrolling, use the scroll bar on your screen instead of the mouse scroll wheel. To navigate the simulator, use the back button to return to the main menu after exploring a section. For the best experience, please follow these tips. Switch your phone or tablet to landscape mode. Click the full screen button to enhance visibility and interaction.